a lot of questions. I am after MA in clinical psychology. What will be the best option? MPhil, PsyD, PhD. The most asked question of the year. So one thing, the straightforward answer for it would be it depends on your goal, yaar. ठीक है, what is the goal you are aiming for? If you are interested in going for the hospital settings, then of course a good idea would be that you would do MPhil and you would learn more about the disorders and you would work in the clinical setting, in the hospital setting, do the assessments, diagnosis, ये सारी चीजें. But if you are somebody who is more interested into research, into academics, into teaching, then PhD could be a better option. In case you want that नहीं मुझे सिर्फ स्पेसिफिकली साइकोलॉजी में ही सब कुछ करना है, क्लिनिकल सेटिंग भी और एकेडमिक्स भी, then PsyD can also be a good option. However, एक caution है कि PsyD बहुत कम यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं जो अभी ऑफर कर रही है, so you must make your choices according to that. Okay, and another tip would be that contact your seniors, the people who have already done these degrees. Maybe somebody who has done MPhil, somebody who has done PsyD, somebody who has done PhD. Contact them, ask them your questions, ask them about what you can expect in this particular field, so that you know more about what is exactly there in that particular degree and you can make your choice accordingly. Cool? Okay. Next question that we have is EVGC preparation strategy for DSSB. Okay, I'm so sorry, I'm not aware of this particular exam at the moment. But one strategy that I initially told for any entrance exam is you should know your syllabus. You should have your resources in place, that from which all books you would be covering that particular syllabus. And you should be knowing the exam pattern. Besides that, किसी भी entrance के लिए MCQ practice एक rule है, एक king है जो बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है. Of course, if this particular exam has MCQs, ठीक है, तो जो भी इस exam का pattern है उसको बहुत बार practice कीजिए, topics को अपना revise कीजिए, strengthen कीजिए, and you will surely be able to do that, isn't it? Okay, next question, expected cutoff for CUET PG for DU. Again, a lot of these questions I have. You can see over here कितने सारे लोगों ने ये वाले सवाल पूछे हैं कि CUET PG का DU का क्या कट ऑफ होगा, या इतने मार्क्स हैं तो क्या मेरा एंट्रेंस में किसी DU की यूनिवर्सिटी में या किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में नंबर आएगा कि नहीं. अगेन वन थिंग, प्लीज डोंट स्ट्रेस अपॉन दीज थिंग्स. कट ऑफ जब आएगा जब ही पता लगेगा. Currently what you can do is you can focus on other exams, other universities. Keep giving exams. चाहे आपके full number आए फिर भी आप exams दे दो. You will get an experience, है ना, you will get an exposure and you will also be very confident कि चलो किसी एक university में at least हो जाएगा. Cool? Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर UGC नेट जून 2024. सो UGC नेट के ऊपर मैंने स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियो ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में क्रिएट की हुई है. जून 2024 के लिए भी आप लोग उसी स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियो को देख सकते हैं. आई विल लीव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल, इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एज वेल. आई बटन पे भी मैं छोड़ दूंगी इस लिंक को. एंड अदर देन दैट, एक छोटा सा चेंज जो जून 2024 के लिए आया है, शायद कई लोगों को बड़ा लग सकता है वो चेंज ये है दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ द एग्जाम बीइंग ऑनलाइन और कंप्यूटर बेस्ड, नाउ द एग्जाम विल बी ऑफलाइन. यानी कि आपको OMR शीट्स मिलेंगी अपना एग्जाम करने के लिए. बट प्लीज डोंट स्ट्रेस आउट फॉर दैट थिंग. अदर देन दैट ना कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग है, ना कोई मेजर चेंजेस हैं सिलेबस में. देयर इज जस्ट दिस चेंज दैट यू विल हैव OMR शीट्स. So try practicing with OMR sheets at home so that you are prepared for your exams. Okay. Then somebody has asked, how old are you, ma'am? Okay, so I am 23 years old at the moment. Chalo. Next is, I have watched your videos during my semester exams. They are very helpful. Thanks. Thank you so much. I enjoy this thing so much when you all, are grateful for the videos. And I am super grateful to you guys because I feel that, okay, whatever I am creating, the content is really helping you out. So thank you for leaving these beautiful comments. Okay, can you please start teaching for UPSC examination? Okay, so UPSC में psychology एक optional subject होता है and a lot of people are requesting to teach for that. I will definitely know more about this particular area and then come up with certain videos that could help you guys. ठीक है? Other questions, best practice book for net psychology paper 2. Okay, so I am assuming यहाँ पे ये पूछा जा रहा है कि जो UGC नेट का पेपर 2 है साइकोलॉजी का, उसके लिए MCQ प्रैक्टिस की कौन सी अच्छी बुक हो सकती है. So honestly speaking, during my preparation, I did, surf through Arihant ke books and other books. But I found that a lot of these books had errors in their answer key, जिसकी वजह से the practice was not very up to the mark. So one thing that I focused upon or did was, searching the previous UGC NET question papers. तो जो प्रीवियस ईयर के UGC नेट के पेपर्स हैं उनको मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया. यू कैन ऑल्सो गो ऑन टू द वेबसाइट ऑफ NTA, ठीक है, नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी. वहां पे एक सेपरेट लिंक है मॉक्स का. Over there you can select the previous year question papers of UGC NET and you can do that mock in real time. So this can help you probably. Books I cannot refer because I have not really found any good book till now. Okay, another question. Have you enrolled in PhD? Okay, so no, I have not enrolled in the PhD program at the moment, but definitely I would be enrolling in a PhD program in the coming future, but I have not enrolled right now. Next question, how to prepare for MPhil clinical psychology? What are the books I should cover? So I am also an MPhil clinical psychology aspirant, but the people who have cleared the exams, a lot of my professors have, given certain strategies for this exam that match a lot with the NET examination, that you must know the syllabus. Again, a lot of universities, they are not providing the syllabus for MPhil very generously, ठीक है. So a general thumb of rule क्या जाता है, हम लोग जो UGC NET का पेपर 2 का syllabus है उसको फॉलो करके चलते हैं, because that syllabus covers a whole lot of topics from psychology, ठीक है. So we do that syllabus, do those topics. Books जो है वो आपकी UGC NET वाली books ही match कर जाएंगी. So you can also watch the UGC NET preparation strategy video. There I've talked about the books recommendations that could help you in covering those topics. Besides that, practice as many MCQs as possible. Now I know the next question that you would ask is कि MCQ कहाँ से practice करें? PYQs तो है ही नहीं MPhil के exams के. So what I have done is जो set examination होते हैं ना, state eligibility test for teaching, okay, तो उनके अब हमारी country में there are a lot of states. Naturally, a lot of states would have these set exams and there would be a lot of question paper for each of these set exams. तो आप previous year के set exams निकाल लीजिए, previous year के UGC NET के question papers निकाल लीजिए and उन MCQs को solve करना शुरू कर दीजिए, ठीक है. Keeping in mind if there is negative marking in the MPhil institute that you are aiming for, or if there is no negative marking, उस हिसाब से you begin practicing those MCQs, because those papers would also be really helpful in strengthening your preparation. At least that's what I'm trying to do at the moment, but all the best. Okay. Next question, psychology careers or further studies after BA in psychology. So again, depends upon your goal. What do you wish to do? Do you wish to straight away dive, into certain organizational setting? Then probably a master's in OB would be a good idea for you. Or do you wish to take a year gap and prepare for some kind of entrance exam like UPSC? Then that could also be an option for you. Or if you want to go into the clinical setting and get involved in diagnosis and assessments, then MPhil or now MSci could also be a good option for you. If you have done 4 years bachelor's degree, अगर 3-year bachelor degree किया है, then you do 2-year master's degree and then enroll in the MPhil program, ठीक है. अदरवाइज काउंसलिंग का जो सेक्टर है वो भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकता है आफ्टर योर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द मास्टर्स डिग्री इन साइकोलॉजी, एंड देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ फील्ड्स, ठीक है. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट इज इट दैट यू विश टू गो इनटू. इफ यू विश टू गो इनटू द फील्ड ऑफ रिसर्च एंड academics, PhD is the straight door for you. Okay, there are also a lot of positions of research assistants that are being offered for people at the bachelor's level or master's level. So you can do your practice at that point also. So it depends upon what you wish to do, what you wish to, see yourself as in the coming future, and accordingly you can decide. And if you are super confused about मुझे नहीं पता मेरे interest क्या है, something like this, please go ahead and meet a professional, get a career counseling done. That would really help you sort out things. Cool. Next question, where is better scope of psychology, abroad or India? Super good question. Honestly speaking, I don't know much about it. I don't have a lot of experience about the same, because see, there are a lot of things, a lot of opportunities that people who have already gone to different countries say that it is better over here, या फिर वहाँ पे ज़्यादा स्टिग्मा नहीं है मेंटल हेल्थ को लेके, प्रॉबेबली जितना इंडिया में है. ठीक है, so there are better job opportunities, but then if you see in India there are also professionals who are making their way and earning the money and also earning the respect and also doing good in their field. So again, depends upon you, where do you want to see yourself, where do you want to settle in the future, and if there's a particular course that you wish to do and suppose it's not in India, then there's no other choice than to go to a different country to do that particular course. So depends on you. Okay, then another question is tips to start studying for UGC NET. I've already talked about it. There is an entire video for UGC NET. Please watch that. Okay, so yeah, I guess these are the questions that we had on Instagram last week, and I've tried to answer as many questions as possible for you guys. होपफुली मैंने आप लोगों को ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज नहीं किया है एंड कुछ ना कुछ आंसर्स या कुछ ना कुछ क्लैरिटी आप लोगों को मिली है. एंड इफ यू वांट दैट वी कीप ऑन डूइंग दीज काइंड ऑफ Q&A और क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर राउंड्स से in a month, okay, once in a month or twice in a month, let me know in the comment section. ठीक है, आप लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. इफ यू आर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, ID is @mindreview1. I keep on posting these Q&A things over there so that you can ask your questions. And if you are not on Instagram, let me know in the comment section. फिर मैं आगे से YouTube के जो community tab box है उस पे भी पोस्ट कर दिया करूँगी कि चलिए अपने questions मेरे पास छोड़ दीजिए and I will answer as and when I get time and I have the capacity to make a video. ठीक है? So that's it for today's video. Have a very good day. Keep chasing your goals and preparing for them. Let's meet in another video. Stay subscribed, share it with your friends, like the video. Bye bye.